this is the setup for today because I'll be doing these press-on nails that I got from Etsy. I'll drop the link to in the description box where I got these from. But yeah, so it came with this package where it has like the for your like cuticles, and there is this kind of feels harsh, so I'm guessing it's something like a filer. But yeah, it also came with the glue and the stick-on things, I guess, for the nails and whatnot. But yeah, it came in this package, which is extremely pretty. This is some sugar water. This is warm, and this is some alcohol to remove the oils off of my nails. This is the towel that I'll be using to dry off my hands. So first I'll be going in with the nail cutter and just cutting up my nails just a little bit, just to shape it up. Just a little. And these are already low because they broke off. Alright, so next I'll be going in with this and just cleaning out the nails. Just like that. Alright, so next I'll be dipping my hands in the water just to, I'm guessing because I know they said that it kind of moisturize or like, I don't know, but yeah, I'll be dipping my hands in the water just to play around with those just a little bit. Alright, and just drying that off. Alright guys, so next I'll be filing the nail to get this, you know, shine off of it. That's better. So the package came with all of this, which is amazing. Alright, I don't want to damage the nail too much, so I'll just continue with that. So I'll be filing the nail. Alright guys, so now I'll be going in with the Q-tips, and this is alcohol to remove any excess oils that's on my finger. Just like that. So that way the nail will grasp on better and last longer. Alright, and that's how the nails are looking right now. Next, I'll be going in with this. I don't even know what it's called, but guess what? We're gonna fix our cuticles. So we're just gonna push down. Just like that. And we're gonna do that to all the fingers. I'll go back in with some alcohol and just go back in with the alcohol. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go in with the glue, and we're gonna start with the pinky because I'm gonna be using my thumbs mostly to do both hands. So I'll go in with the pinky and start with the pinky. We're gonna go in with just a little bit of glue, just a tad bit of glue, and we're gonna just spread that around. Then we're gonna go in with the pinky nail. We're gonna put some glue on that too. Alright, put that aside. I'm gonna hold that down for just a little bit. Oh, never mind. And that is actually a tight fit. That feels amazing. That is a tight fit. Alright, we're gonna go with the next nail. Just a tad bit. We don't want too much. And I must say, okay, so when you're putting on the glue onto these nails right here, it actually gives the glue on your nails itself time to get tacky, so it fits extremely better. Just gonna press down on that. These nails are so freaking pretty. Alright, just like that. So, we're gonna continue with the rest. We got some on the side, just wipe that off real quick. Just want to press that down. These are freaking pretty. I love them. Alright. Just want to fix that just like that. Go in with this. And then guys, what I'm gonna do is instead of going in with my thumb on this hand, I'm gonna go in and just go onto the next hand and leave the thumbs for last. What I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna just go in with this first because it's easier, and that way it gives this time to get tacky. And then I'm gonna just put that down and go in on my nail. Alright, so next. Press that down, and you don't have to press it down for too long because it gets on extremely snug fast. What is this? It gets on extremely snug fast. This is bent. Like my fingers are freaking bent, and that's okay. It's whatever. Next finger. Can you guys see this one is bent? But it's okay, it's okay. I personally think it's how the nail is, because my finger is straight. I'm confused. I'm guessing it's the nail itself. Alright, let's just move on. Just a drop, and then we're gonna spread that around the nail. Alright, then we're gonna push that into the cuticles, just like this. Just push that in and press that down. This is really upsetting me because that is the only one that's bent. Like, I'm confused. But I guess I gotta leave it like that because I don't think it's gonna come off right now. So, moving on to the thumbs, which is the last. So we'll get that tacky real quick. And yeah. Just a good size drop because the thumbs are the biggest ones. Just push that into the cuticles and press down. I'm confused as to what this is. Alright, and then we're going to do the last one. Thumb. Pushing that into the cuticles and pressing that down. Just for a couple seconds. And that's it. Alright guys, so the last step I'll do is just take some Vaseline and just hydrate back my cuticles with those. And these are down. So make sure I massage them. Then I'll take a mixture of the oil that I have, just a small little bit, and I'll just to hydrate my hands. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!